ba yung kailangan natin matutunan for this week? With all those 4 days na pinagdaanan natin, siguro, let's summarize it into one word, which is patience. Kasi maraming jokes around, maraming inside jokes na nalalaman, like makaning kambing. Saka let's try our best to be patient enough and be cool. Huwag tayong papatol dun sa mga inside jokes o yung mga taong masyadong yung mga tolerable, pwede pa. Pero yung hindi na pwedeng tolerate, hindi na yun. So that's our thought for today.